Welcome back to the Legal School. In today's video, we'll be talking about something very interesting. Imagine seeing a video of famous politician confessing to a crime or a Bollywood actor saying something bizarre. But it turns out it's fake, completely fabricated using artificial intelligence. Welcome to the world of deepfakes. Hi everyone, I'm Neelam Kejriwal, and in today's video, we are diving deep into rising digital threats, that is deepfake, and how Indian law is dealing with it. Let's get started. Deepfakes are media, especially videos where a person's face or voice is swapped or altered using AI. The word deepfake combines deep learning and fake content. These videos are often so realistic you can't tell that they are fake. Deepfakes started off as entertainment, face swapping celebrities for laughs, but now they have evolved into a tool for misinformation, defamation, blackmail, and worse. Why deepfakes are dangerous? Because they can ruin reputation, spread fake news, influence elections, and even create non consensual pornography. In 2020, a video of actor Rashmika Mandana was morphed using deepfake technology. It went viral, causing massive outrage. Similar cases have surfaced with political leaders and even private citizens. But here's the big question: what does Indian law say about this? India doesn't have a specific deepfake law yet, but there are existing laws that can be applied depending on how deepfake is used. Let's look at the key legal provisions of Information Technology Act. First is Section 66E of this Act that punishes capturing or transmitting image of private parts without consent, applicable to non-consensual deepfake pornography. Second is Section 67 of this Act that punishes publishing or transmitting obscene material in electronic form. Third is Section 66D of Information Technology Act that deals with cheating by impersonation using computer resources. It is relevant when a deepfake is used to impersonate someone. Apart from information technology law, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita or BNS, the new law, also have provisions to punish deepfake, like Section 356, which punishes the person for defamation if a deepfake harms someone's reputation. Another section is Section 79, which punishes word or gestures intended to insult a woman's modesty. Next is Section 336, which punishes forgery for cheating if deepfakes are used to create fake documents or videos. Further, Section 77 punishes for voyeurism, especially when private acts are recorded or morphed. But enforcement is a little bit tricky. Proving the source and intent behind a deepfake is extremely challenging. So, what's holding us back from regulating deepfakes properly? Here are the three major challenges. First one is lack of specific legislation, as there is no law directly defining or punishing deepfake. Second is anonymity of creators, as deepfake can be made and uploaded anonymously from anywhere. Third is jurisdiction issue, as servers can be in one country, creator in another, and victim in third. Today, technology is evolving faster than the law can keep up. The Indian government is aware of the problem. The Information Technology Rules 2021 holds platforms responsible for flagging and moving harmful content, including deepfakes, when reported. In some PILs and court cases, deepfakes have been discussed, especially in context of privacy and consent. However, a strong legal framework is still missing. Recently, the Delhi Police Cyber Cell issued warnings about deepfake videos and started tracking cases more seriously. There's also growing pressure to bring a dedicated law or amendment that addresses deepfake creation, distribution, and punishment. So, what can India do to handle this better? Well, first, we need to define deepfakes legally with clear punishment. Second, we need to use AI tools for detection. Third is we need to build public awareness so people don't fall for fake videos. Fourth, we need to train police and cyber cells to deepfake forensics. Countries like China and US are already drafting deepfake specific laws. India needs to catch up soon. Deepfakes are not just tech gimmicks, they can be weapons in the wrong hands. India's legal system must adapt fast to protect people's privacy, dignity, and trust in digital content. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more legal insights in simple language. Let me know in the comments, should India have a specific law against deepfake? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more information. Thank you.